I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what
The 7 days of the week. Pitong araw sa isang linggo. Lunes. Lunes. In English, Monday. It comes from the Latin word dies luna, which means moon's day. Lunes, Monday. Martes. Martes, Tuesday. It means Tuesday, name based on Tyr, a god from Norse mythology. Martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, Miércoles, Wednesday, which means name is taken from the Old English Wednesday, which means the day of Odin. Miércoles. Jueves, Jueves, Thursday. This day's name comes from the name of the Norse god Thor, meaning Thursday. Thursday, Jueves. Viernes, Viernes, Friday, meaning day of Frigg. Comes from the name of the Old Norse goddess Frigg. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Sábado, Saturday. Named after the planet Saturn. This day's name means Day of Saturn. Saturday, Sabado, Sabado. Linggo, Linggo, Sunday. The day of the sun, named after our well-known star, the sun. And also Linggo, we are like translated into English like Sunday or week. And the question is, ano ang paborito mong araw? Means, what is your favorite day? Maraming salamat sa panunood.